This is the week number 7 and 8 review for testing for the basic class. So I'll start with the elbow and knee strike set. So attention about kicking stance, loud yell. So you reach your hand, the front one is going to reach all the way in front. Other one comes up like a chicken's wing, you're going to hit with the bone. So this is the front elbow strike. Then you'll reach high. Drop down is the dropping elbow strike. Reach across your chest. Now I'm stepping sideways with my body to do a side elbow strike. Reach in the front. I'll step back a little bit as I do the rear elbow strike. Then reach like you're grabbing the stranger's shoulders, pull them down, and it's a knee strike. Or you can smash your hands on your leg while you do it. So here's the set with the words like you'll do on the test. It's chamber, elbow, chamber, elbow, chamber, elbow, chamber, elbow, chamber, knee. Let's try it again. On the test, you've got to have it memorized, you've got to call the words out, and you've got to hit with power. Here we go. Ready? Chamber, elbow, chamber, elbow, chamber, elbow, chamber, elbow, chamber, knee. Now, I would pause the video and practice that at least 5 more times and really get it memorized and show good power in all the words. Now, the second thing we're going to practice is the side kicks. There are 4 side kicks on your test. So the first side kick is the one that goes behind you. It's almost like there's a stranger sneaking up behind. So I've got to look over my shoulder. My knee has got to pull back, and then I can kick behind me. On all side kicks, your knee should go in and out. You're supposed to hit with your heel. That's the strong part. And make your leg flat like a tabletop. So I've got to look behind, pull my knee back, and then hit straight behind me with a side kick. So let's practice 5 together. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing, I'd pause the video and practice at least 10 more on each side to get really good at it. The second kick is the front leg side kick. So if I'm facing the target, I'm going to start 1 arm's distance away. Then I'm at the proper reach. The first step then is called pivot. Pivot means turn until your butt or your hips are going to look at the target. And then it's the same side kick we've been doing as before. Just like that. When you're done, you come back to your guard stance. So distance, turn your hips, kick, and then come back to guard stance. Let's do a few together. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. Pause that video. Do 10 with each leg to get really good at the front leg side kick. The third kick is a skipping side kick. So if I was at this distance, I do front leg. If I was too far, now I do skipping. So skipping means my rear foot slides up to my front foot. And the way the black belts do it is when they slide up, that's when you turn your hips. So your butt's got to face to the target. So slide up, turn. Then it's that same side kick as we've been doing. Knee goes in and out, hit with the heel, make a flat tabletop. So start a little bit too far away. Slide up, turn. And that's your skipping side kick. Let's do a few together. So ready? 1, skip up, and side kick. 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5. Awesome. Pause that video. Do 10 with each leg to get good at your skipping side kick. And the fourth kick is a step off side kick. For example, what if I was too close to the target? So rather than being at arm's distance, I was too close. Well, I could step off to the left, do my kick, or I could step off to the right, do my kick. Essentially what's happening when I step off, 2 things are happening. 1, now I'm at 1 arm's distance, which is about perfect for your side kick. And the second thing that happens when you step, you've got to turn your hips so your butt is looking at the target. Otherwise, it won't be a very good side kick. So if I step to the left, I'm going to step. Now I'm at arm's distance. I've turned my hips. And it's that same side kick we've been doing. knee goes in and out, hit with the heel, and then keep your leg flat like a tabletop. So let's practice a few together. So ready? 1, step off, and side kick. 2, 3, 4, one more time, 5. Awesome. Pause that video, do 10 to the left, 10 to the right. That's a step off side kick. The last section of your red stripe test will be the self-defense. So I have Mr. Lemke be the attacker. So we're doing the circle and the collapse. So if he's my attacker, he's grabbing me by the shoulder. First I use my words. I say stop, let go, leave me alone. Stay with confidence. Then the distraction is next. Kick, stomp, and punch. Kick into the knee, stomp into the foot, punch into the groin. Now he's distracted. Now for kids, it's punch to the groin. If you're an adult, every time I say punch to the groin, you can do palm strike to the nose, kind of like that. But I'll do the kids' version. So stop, let go, leave me alone, kick, stomp, punch, circle and collapse. I can circle backwards and then step a little bit and collapse. Or if it's more comfortable, you can circle forward, step and collapse. It's the same thing. You can go back or you can go forward. You just need to circle to gather energy and then collapse your body weight into it. And then when I'm done with that, since we've been learning side kicks, probably the easiest follow-up, turn your hips or your butt towards his knee, side kick to the stranger's knee, and then you can get away. Obviously be really careful. Don't hit your partner on any of these kicks or punches. So he's got me. So it's stop, let go, leave me alone, kick, stomp, punch, circle, and collapse. Side kick, run. One more time together. Maybe I'll go forward this time. So stop, let go, leave me alone, kick, stomp, punch. Maybe I circle forward and collapse and side kick, and then you would run. So thanks, Mr. Lemke. So see if mom or dad will attack you, and you can practice that on your right side, your left side, from different angles, and get good at that. So that is all the material on your test. You've got the elbow knee strike set, you've got the 4 side kicks, and circle and collapse. So practice hard.